In this video, we will be demonstrating squeegee techniques when installing 3M paint protection film. Proper squeegee techniques are vital to a successful installation. The main techniques we will be covering are the 50-50 overlapping stroke method, the pull method, the push method, and edge sealing. Make sure to review and follow the basic videos related to vehicle prep, solution mixtures, and trimming techniques. Before starting to install paint protection film, lubricate the surface of the film by spraying it with the slip solution. This allows a squeegee to glide over the surface of the film. Review the application solution video for proper measurements and mixing techniques of slip and tack solutions. The 50-50 overlapping stroke method is one of the fundamental skills that an installer must know how to perform. 50-50 overlap means that you take the time to ensure that each squeegee stroke overlaps the previous stroke by half of the area it previously covered. If squeegee strokes are not overlapped, application solution will be trapped under the film, and it can also cause marks to be left in the surface of the film. The pull method is used most often. It is used to remove application solution from under the film. Holding the squeegee with both hands, angle the blade of the squeegee away from the film so that it pulls the application solution out from under the film. Press firmly enough to remove all solution, but not so firmly that it drags the film out of place. The pull method can also be done using just one hand as shown here. Whether using one or two hands, always overlap your strokes to remove all of the slip solution and prevent marks in the film. Be careful not to allow the squeegee to chatter on the surface of the film. A squeegee that does not glide smoothly over the film can leave marks in the film. The push method is used on areas where more aggressive pressure is needed. This method is also the one used for laying down fingers on the edges of the film. Holding the squeegee with both hands, angle the blade of the squeegee against the film and push the blade firmly along the surface. Edge sealing is a final step in an installation. If the edges do not look sealed, use a squeegee wrapped with a paper towel or microfiber cloth. This is an efficient way to make sure that all edges of the application area are properly sealed. Mastering the 50-50 overlap, the push, the pull method, and edge sealing techniques will help to ensure that every installation will be successful.